Hey guys, so in this quick video I'm going to share with you important things about the funding tricks, the payout rules, and what you have to be aware of. So first you must reach the buffer zone, like straight to the thing. Now, the buffer zone means is that 25,000 account needs $1,000 buffer, 50,000 account needs to 20,000 buffer, and 100,000 is like 3,000 buffer. Also, when we're gonna go further, you have profit split depends on the account type. So that also depends like what kind of account type you have. Pro Plus accounts got 60%. Then also weekly payouts, no consistent rule after you funded, no activation fee. And also you have like the price $130 a month. And so let's say that maximum is $5,000 per week. Now, if to get a full $5,000 payout, you need to, for 25K, you need at least $8,350 profit, 50K also, and 100K also. And then you can have also the zero accounts. So zero accounts is profit split is 90% for the trader. And then must trade minimum 7 days, and no single day can be more than 25% of total profit. And you can also trade news, and payouts are capped. So first payout is after $3,000 profit and you receive $2,000, and next payout needs another $2,500 profit. And then after $2,000 profit, $2,000 is like payout. And you must have at least one trade every 7 days, and at least 50% of your trades must last longer than 10 seconds. Otherwise payouts may be denied. You cannot open, close, or hold trades 1 minute before or after tier 1 events, CPI, NFP, FOMC, VPPI. And that's for the Pro Plus, but for the zero accounts, news trading is allowed. Copy trading multiple accounts is allowed, which helps with scaling. And you can withdraw using bank transfer, crypto, and RiseWorks. So hope this video provided a little bit of value for the funding tricks. Thank you very much for watching, and have a great day and goodbye.